welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Bubsy 4D game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as admin. For that, go to Steam, select under library section, you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next is to run the game, allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security, and after that here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game. This game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to click on display, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So click on it. Now wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to check for Windows update. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, you should disable in-game overlay. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, you can launch Steam and finally reinstall Bubsy 4D game, and then click on the play button to check if it's working or launching now. So these are few solutions to fix Bubsy 4D game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.